How to recover deleted photos on Snapchat. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to recover deleted photos on Snapchat. First, open your Snapchat application on your mobile device. Now, go to your profile. Here, tap on the settings icon. Scroll down to the settings option until you find My Data. Tap on it. In the My Data section, you will see various options related to your data. Make sure the toggle next to include your memories and other saved media is turned on. Tap on Next to proceed to the next step. On the next screen, you can choose the data range for which you want to download your data. Now tap on Submit. Snapchat is creating a copy of files. This process can take a long time, possibly hours or days to complete. You will receive an email when your export is ready. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.